uthe uRicky esibulele kubhlungu ngiwusimomoza nacabanga ukuthi mhlambe ngifunela itrend ngaphuma eceleni ngamemezela ukuthi amaciko wamaskulokho enze ngathi ayakhala alo ethi rest in peace la awahambelane mangabe umuntu esaphile engakayibulali esupportani. Ngiyabonga ke lento yenziwe uKhuzani nabanye abamakwazi ukuhambela uZola sisho ukuthi bezoyibulala kodwa isupport le. Siyakubonga lokho bafowethu. Nangicabanga ukuthi mhlambe ngiyadlala mhlambe ngifuna mina okwami kuyobonga emazulwini. Hayi wami kuyobonga emazulwini ngusimomoza.
Hi, this is Zola. I'm being kept captive at Mamkize. What did I do to you?
You did nothing, but I brought you here today to show you love. I show you love, and I show
I want to go home.
You wanna go home? So you wanna go home?
I want to go home.
You wanna go home?
Yes. So, konje sekupila?
Winsense under the tree.
South Africa. Manglahleka ngokuthi nibheke ngasesentini ukuthi the yard is too big. I could be buried anywhere here, but I really want to go home.
You wanna go home?
Yes.
Guys, Zola wanna go home, and I'm commanding all of you to give Zola love. All I need is love. I'm gonna keep him captive here for a little bit. So are you okay to be captive?
Zulu men don't get kidnapped.
You don't get kidnapped.
It just doesn't happen.
Oh my God. Guys, this is me sitting with Zola. I'm commanding the whole country to give Zola love. I don't want you one day to show Zola love when he's not here. The time is now to show him love and return the favor and do what he did for all of you.
Ngisesentini ngidliwe inkobe la namadumbe. Bengicabanga ukuthi ngizothola ichicken capinola ne seafood platter. Udliwe inkobe la mamkhizeke loyo. Kabazela.
It's a wrap, guys. We love you. This is love.